Hey, what's up? It's YL with Crypto 10X in Panama. Beautiful day. Just a couple days before our event, we're sponsoring the Panama Banking Global Summit. We're going to tell you and show you guys what we've been up to, what we have done, what we have to offer to you guys there. So if you're in Panama, catch us there. This is the second video in the series. I will be going over the basics of an exchange. I'll be going over how to buy, how to sell, and just getting you started in cryptocurrency trading. So first off, this is Bittrex. You can use different exchange websites, whatever you prefer to use. My preference is Bittrex. I use Binance. I use Bitfinex. I use a lot of different exchanges just because some coins are only found on those certain exchanges. So let's dive into the trading. With most exchanges, they're very similar. So the things I show you here will you'll be able to use on different exchanges. So let's go to wallets. This is how you fund your account. So click on wallets. Most likely you'll see all the coins here, all the coins that you own. Hide zero balances, that's what I usually do. So if you wanted to transfer and load your account up with some Bitcoin, I type in Bitcoin and I'll click the plus button. It'll give me the address, and then this is how I deposit crypto in. I can withdraw out of my account just the same way by clicking the minus button. So if I had Ethereum that I wanted to transfer, I don't have any right now, so if I wanted to hold any Ethereum, or if I wanted to send over Ethereum to fund my account, you would click Ethereum, click the plus sign, take the address, copy paste, and send it over to load up your account. So you've loaded up your account now. Let's go to the front of the exchange, to the markets, and I'll show you guys the basics. So right now, this is the Bitcoin market. You're trading Bitcoin into another coin, and you're taking profits back into Bitcoin. So you have Ethereum, so Bitcoin dash Ethereum, and then this is the Ethereum market. So if you have Ethereum, you're trading Ethereum into Ripple, for example, and then back into Ethereum profit. So this is the price of how much each Ripple costs in Ethereum. So one Ripple is 0.000988426 of a Ripple, and here is the USDT market, which is US dollar tether. It's supposed to be backed by the US dollar for one. Not sure if it really is, but it's used like that. So you can trade USDT into BTC and try and swing trade. So let's say Bitcoin is at 15,000, you sold up there, and now you're buying 9,200, or let's say you're selling at 9,200, you'd get 9,200 USDT, and you could try and buy in cheaper. For example, you could try to sell if you think coins are going down, or buy if you think they're going up, and use USDT. So let's go into a pair. I look at it by volume, so I look at how many are the top coin with the most volume in the 24 hours. That's 5,100 on ADA. So if you were going to swing trade, you'd probably pick the coins with the most volume because they have the most impulsive moves. And then you can look at the price here, or you can look at the coins ordered in lowest or biggest losers of the day, and then biggest winners of the day, and check it out. So I do top volume. Let's look at ADA, or let's look at one of the cheaper coins. So the cheapest coin on the exchange is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is 56 Satoshis. So a lot of people use that term Satoshis as the last decimal place of the price. So the last decimal place of Bitcoin, which is 8 zeros. If it was 1, we would reference it as 1 Satoshis. So this is 56. We would call it 56 Satoshis. So the lowest price was 49. The highest was 58 sats for the day. And this is on the 30-minute chart. So every candlestick, what we call it, is just representing 30 minutes of price. So a green one is positive, it's opening below and closing above the price, and red is opening above and closing below the price. So positive and negative. I like to look at it at the day. You want to look at it at different time frames, not only one, and you want to just try and time a perfect entry. So let's go into Dogecoin. First off, you can see the order book here. You can see all the buys and what people are trying to sell it for. You can see the order book here again, instead of a visual, and the market history and your own history. So the current price, the ask price is 56 and the bid is 55. So if I wanted to buy, you'd never have to buy at market value. You could buy cheaper than what the last price was. So I look at the low, 24, or not 24, yeah, in the 24 hours, the low price was 49 Satoshis. So let's try and get a buy at 49. Let's just put 0.1 of a Bitcoin, and this is how much Dodge you'd get. So once you place an order like that, it will place it, and as soon as that price hits, it'll automatically purchase if there's enough coins, obviously. And then you can doing this, you can step away from the computer. You don't have to watch it. It can happen during the night, or if you're out during work or whatever it is. So putting in a buy order is great for a couple reasons. You don't buy market, you can try and get a cheaper price, and it does it automatically as soon as the price lands there. So here's an example of me placing a price or an order at this price. I'll buy some at the current price at 56 to show you guys the selling part. So buy, you'll see it filled automatically, this many coins. I have it right here now. So you'll see the history below here, and you'll see your coins here. Now it's in my wallet and it's shown here. So the bid is 55, and that's what the current buyer is willing to buy it at right now. I think this coin is going to 100, so I'm going to try and sell it at 100, and I would get this much. So I would make 77% if it hits 100, because I put in P1 and now I'm getting 0.177, about 77% of my investment. With trading in the Bitcoin pair, you want your Satoshi value to go up. So the way you make money is buying it in a low Satoshi value and then selling it on a high Satoshi value. A lot of people get it confused with, oh, the dollar value is up, but it's all in relation to Bitcoin because you bought it using Bitcoin, not the dollar, if that makes sense. So if you bought it at 56 Satoshis, anything above 70, 80, 90, 100 Satoshis is a gain. Even if it goes up in US dollar, it might not go up in Bitcoin value because Bitcoin might have went up higher in the dollar value compared to your coin. So I always look at Satoshi. And the same thing here, you can set up an order, you can walk away from your computer, it'll set it automatically, and it will trigger the order as soon as the price hits 100, and it'll replace it with Bitcoin and my profit. So that's a cool thing about orders. You can use stop losses as well, so you can basically tell it to sell at a price if it hits X. So basically, we bought at 56. I want it to sell at 49 if it hits 51. So it's an automatic sell. It'll save me money just in case it keeps going lower and lower. Maybe I can buy in at a cheaper rate. So these are examples of setting orders, buying and selling, and how to kind of navigate around in an exchange. So we bought some Dogecoin. Let's cancel this order. Let's say you just want to send it to your wallet. So let's go to Doge. Here's your Dogecoin, and you click the minus button. And then you'll put in an address, You'll put in all your Doge, and then you'll click withdraw. And then you'll put in your authentication code. So it's an example of taking the money out of an exchange. So I hope you liked my quick tutorial on how to use an exchange, how to buy and sell, and how to use a stop loss to save your ass when you need to. Stay tuned for our next video in the series. We'll be dropping a couple more videos that will be showing you what some of the stuff that we're releasing in our course. So we're coming out with a course and some signals and a lot of value for you guys. The course will help you go from A to Z, so it's sculpted for everybody, beginners, intermediate investors, and traders. So it'll help you from the basics, open up a wallet, how to set up an account on exchange, how to navigate through them, how to buy, how to sell, helping you sculpt a trading plan, going into fundamental analysis, technical analysis, ICO research, and a lot more. So stay tuned for our next videos. Make sure you're subscribed so you get all of our videos instantly and you don't miss out on any opportunities, because in crypto they fly. So make sure you subscribe, you follow us, you join our Discord, our Facebook, and stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate it and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for watching.